Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Skype. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.